Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can extract motion from videos. So copy and paste your video. And on the second one, you're going to put the blend opacity to 50%. Go to adjustments and you're going to go to the curve section and you're going to do the same thing I'm doing right now. So place the left dot on the very top and the right dot to the very bottom. And again, to all of the colors to create a negative space. You can't really see much difference, but if you place it, I guess, a little bit more different from the video, you can see it a little bit more clearly, but don't separate it too much, but you can see the motion and it will be extracted from the video. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.